What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a unusual short video, and we're going to talk about a hack that I discovered from another YouTuber that I watch. It's Tactical Toolbox. Be sure to check him out. Really great channel. This is what I'm in the middle of building, and whenever it gets done, I'll be sure to do a video on it. But the hack I wanted to talk about was installing the front takedown pin here. This is called a clevis pin. It's a 1/4-inch clevis pin, and you can find them with these different holes in here. And be careful, because the end, when they make these, they kind of like chop it off, so it can be a little ragged. So you might want to consider filing that down so it actually fits in here. I can't actually show you installed because, YouTube's guidelines and everything. But what you would do is you would install your spring in there. You'd actually pop this through, and with the hole, you'd put your detent down in there and then take something to push down. And then as you have it in there, once you press your detent down in there, you can slowly take this out and turn this like so as you're taking it out. And then once these holes are lined up this way, the detent will be pressing against this, and then as you're pulling this out, you can actually just push your takedown pin in, and you don't have to worry about your detent or your spring ricocheting off, which I've done a bunch of times. And if you've built any of these, I'm sure you've done it at least once. But that is the hack I wanted to show you guys. That's all for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. See you.